Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. I am almost done unboxing a subscription box and I realized that I was not taping. So we're gonna do things in a little different way. The box that I just sat down, I'm picking back up again. So, LJ Naturals is the box that I am unboxing right now. It is cruelty-free natural beauty products. They are focused on wellness. You get full-size products each month. If you're interested, you can get your first month's box 50% off, and you will then get a free kit from Earth Harbor worth $20. Now, I did agree to like a year's worth of boxes. So what I am paying is $53.84 a month. So that's got to include shipping or tax or something. My system wasn't working that I could actually pull up the exact monthly charge, but I am paying $53.84. They only ship to the United States, you guys. So just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that. But it's so funny because I was just getting through all the products, but I'm starting again. And I have spent a lot of time on this product, you guys. Let's see here. So this is by Anne Marie, Botanical Hydration Mist with Immortelle. It's an awakening face and body mist. And I was just looking through the pamphlet that we got with the item. And it says that this tones, it hydrates, and it calms. It's suitable for all skin types, including oily, aging, or sensitive skin. It tells us like when the best results are. It tells us the key ingredients, but then it also tells us other products that we might like. So my assumption is it's products that they offer. And then Anne Marie, it says that they handcraft skincare using organic and wild crafted ingredients that promise beautiful glowing skin. And they do this using their 3-step proprietary energized botanical infusion process. So their first step is the curate. So where they get their ingredients. So they get organic, wild crafted ingredients that meet their highest standards. And they build relationships with farmers, and they tirelessly are auditing their sources to maintain those standards. And then it says step 2 is infuse. We infuse hand-selected herbs into organic aloe vera and skin nutritive oils at a low heat. And then these botanical infusions are left to steep for up to 30 days and energized by crystals before serving as a potent base for all formulas. And then step 3 is then they add high performance seed oils, antioxidant rich botanicals, and synergistic plant stem cells that deliver skin supporting nutrients and luxurious aromatherapy. And the result is active, supernaturally effective skincare. Okay, so let's smell this because I have not done that yet. So, This is something, you've heard me say it before. Organic stuff never smells the best. This does not smell the best. I don't know, what is it? Well, one, they're not putting all those, I guess, scent chemicals in. I mean, it doesn't smell the best. But if that doesn't bother you, then that is perfectly fine. Maybe you get used to it. Now, where I'm smelling my wrist over here is something I unboxed earlier. I had to make sure I went back and smelled it. But, okay, Next items. So we did get an Earth Harbor product in here as well. It's Aurora. It is superfood luminous ampule. It's got sea greens and cannabis, stevia, hemp. It is 30 mils. And I didn't mind this smell when I smelled it just a little bit ago. So I will definitely be using this product. The next item we got here was by Lauren Brooke, and it is a banana corrective finishing powder. Now it is sealed, so I haven't opened it, but there we go. So this is something that since it is sealed, that I will kind of, push off to the side with my other ingredient or my other products that I'm waiting until I've worked through what I already have. And then something that really surprised me, it was not what I was expecting. First, I wasn't sure what to expect, and then I was expecting something a little different. But this is a limited edition Cherished. It's by Piper Blue Makeup, okay? And I thought it was gonna be like a clear lip gloss. It's not clear, you guys. And let me get something on my finger because it is heavily pigmented, much so than what I was expecting. But I really like the shade of it. And here's the front of it, you guys. Lion. So very excited about this. And then the last item that we got is also by Lauren Brooke, and it's a luminous satin finish tinted mineral sunscreen. It's an SPF of 28. Now, this is also 1 fluid ounce, 30 mils. Excuse me. I did not open it just because, like many of you are aware, I already got a lot of sunscreen. And as soon as you pull that off, then that clock starts ticking for how long it is good for. So I didn't open it just because I wanna save it. So that was this month's LG Naturals subscription box. So we've got 5 full-size items. So we did get a card. So I'm gonna go through that right now. Oh, and one thing I wanted to share is they have a new theme every month. So this month's theme is effortless summer beauty ritual. It's been curated to nourish your skin, enhance your natural glow, and keep you radiant from sunrise to sunset. And the box value is over $120. So what's inside? The Earth Harbor has a value of $32. The Lauren Brooke, the tinted mineral sunscreen, has a value of $25. Now this says it is reef safe, zinc based sunscreen, leaves 0 white cast while shielding skin from UVA and B and free radical damage. So I will say, I like that they called that out because there was one sunscreen that I had on vacation that didn't call something out. So I didn't want to wear it because especially I didn't want to get burned up. So the next thing is the Lauren Brooke, the Banana Corrective Finishing Powder. So one of the things, so I'm not quite sure, they say this is banana, but I'm not quite sure why, because on the ingredients, they talk about arrowroot, clay, iron oxides, mica, and then kaolin clay derived. And there's other words in there too I just didn't mention, but I'm not quite sure why they're talking about banana. But $22. And the Piper blush and lip color. Okay, that makes sense why it was so heavily pigmented. $17. And last but not least, the hydration. Now, it says Luxe Spritz of Immortelle. I'm not sure what scent that is. Chamomile, frankincense, and a whisper of rose. I didn't smell any of that. Maybe frankincense? I'm not quite sure. But $26. So if you want to know more or learn more about this box, you can find it out over on the lgnaturals.com website. So thank you everyone for tuning in. And one thing, just in case I didn't mention it, because like I said, I am refilming this, I wanted to make sure I mentioned that this box is only available in the US right now. Can't remember if I did it on this go around or not. But so again, thank you for spending some time with me tonight. I hope you enjoyed this box. If you are into natural, cruel-free ingredients, go check out LG Naturals. And that is all for tonight. So hope you guys are having some great times, and we will see each other again later. Bye, everyone.